Another day, another mess. But don't worry, we've got your back. Meet the Vactidy V9, the lightweight handheld vacuum that'll make cleaning a breeze. The lightweight design of the V9 makes it easy to carry and operate. In addition, the 180-degree swivel steering and retractable vacuum tube make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It also has a motorized roller brush and strong suction power to quickly clean up dust and debris, leaving your floors spotless. And with a HEPA filtration system, it can capture even the smallest particles, keeping the air in your home clean and healthy. Ah yes, with the crevice tool and 2-in-1 brush, you can clean every corner of your home. You can clean your entire space on a single charge with the V9. When the dustbin needs to be emptied, simply press a button. Unleash good cleaning performance anywhere. Try out Vactidy's V9 for yourself and see the difference.